What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines, and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you this one app that will pay you $600 for free, and it's available worldwide. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I make a lot of videos about making money online. So it'll definitely be beneficial for you guys, especially you new guys, to hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm discussing today in this video. Now, before I get into the actual app that will pay you $600 for free, I want you to direct your attention to the description below. As you saw earlier in the video, at the beginning of this video, I give away free money when I get 1,000 subscribers or 1,000 new subscribers. And my milestone that I'm trying to get to is 4,000 subscribers. And I want to get there this month, the month of July, but it looked like I'm not going to make it. So I'm going to extend this to August. So guys, help a brother out. All you got to do is hit that like button, drop that comment down below, hashtag the grind is real, and make sure you follow me on Instagram, which is at appgrind. And one other thing, I have another channel which is called Random Reg TV, as you can see right here. Over there, I am also doing a free money giveaway once I hit 2,000 subscribers. So go over there to my other channel, subscribe, drop a comment, follow the guidelines over there, and once I hit that 2,000, you'll have a chance to win some free money. So you have two chances now to win free money, or two places, two channels that you can be part of that you'll be able to win some free money. All right, guys, let me go ahead and get into this app. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. Now, let's go. So let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm at the app, and I'll tell you the name of the app in a minute. But this app will pay you to just listen to music. So all you have to do is just listen to music, nothing else. So it's available at the App Store, the Apple App Store, and the Google Play Store. So if you have an Android, Google Play. If you have an iPhone, go to the App Store. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more about this website. Now you're going to be earning points every time you listen to music. So every time you click that play button, boom, you're going to start accumulating points and making this money. Now, you can search and play from 100,000 plus radio stations, and you're going to earn points by playing your favorite music. So it's not going to be a certain type of music you have to listen to. You can play your own music that you love to listen to and make some money, because they have all those radio stations you'll be able to choose from. I'm sure you're going to find your favorite music on those radio stations. And you'll be able to spend the points on the brands that you love. So it's going to be a lot of brands out there that they have on this website that you can choose from and be able to trade your points in and be able to buy something from these, or buy certain type of brand that you love. Now let's scroll down here, and let me tell you something that you're really gonna love, especially people all around the world, not just here in the United States, which is where I'm from. All right, if you click right here where it says start earning, right here it's going to show you all the places, all the countries that you can earn money from. So it doesn't matter where you are right now on this website or using this app, you can make some money. So as you can see through the list, I mean, it's from A to Z. Every country almost in the world is on this list right here. So you can't say, well, it's not available in my country. This is available everywhere. All right, now let's go right down here. And these are some questions that you probably want to know the answer to. So how do I earn? So let's just click right here. Okay, so it says right here, how do I earn? The more you play, the more you earn. Everyone who signs up can play curated radio stations and earn in-app points called points. During the media playback, you'll encounter several opportunities to generate points. We've constantly added more ways to earn, so look out for more important updates. So they're constantly adding more ways to make money on this app. So this is very good. Now, let's scroll right here where it said, how do I spend my points? So right here, you're going to be able to spend your points and get gift cards, or you're going to cash it out through some other type of features that they have on here, which is CRNC tokens. And once you go there and learn about the CRNC tokens, you'll be able to cash that in too and get some money. All right, and right here, how do I earn more per play? So with every tap of the play button, you earn points. Like I said earlier, the speed of which you earn is based on how much of your profile has been completed and how long you are consuming. So make sure you fill out your profile completely if you want to earn the most money or the most points, so you can get the most money out of this. All right, that's all I'm gonna say about this website here, or this app. So if you are interested in making some money with this app, just go to current.us. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Now, before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button. And please help me to get at least 50 likes. That's all I ask, just 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app. And please share this all around the internet, because I'm trying to help everybody I can to make money online. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. And hey, road to 4,000. Let's get there, guys. It seems like it's not going to be this month of July, but but we're going to make it in August because I'm ready to give out this free money. I want to help people out there because during this pandemic, I know a lot of people are out of work, so they need money. I know the free money giveaway that I'm giving out is not going to be as much to pay bills and whatnot that you have, but something, just a little something, can help out as you find other ways to make more money. So I want to help you guys. So help me and I can help you guys. All right, that's it. Thanks again. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and stay safe.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.